how to create a newsletter in Beehiiv. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to beehiiv.com and then simply create your free account. Now after you do that, you're gonna get redirected to your dashboard. So basically here you can start simply editing your newsletter. So as you can see, we have design and then we have website builder and newsletter builder. So if you go here, you're gonna see how your newsletter is gonna look like, and then you can simply go back to posts and then you can simply start writing. So as you can see, you can create your own posts. So basically after you do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply enter the title, and then here you can enter the author. Here you can basically play around with the settings. So as you can see here, you can do some SEO settings, and then you have delivery. So here you're gonna have to simply choose your audience and then simply click on schedule, and then you're gonna have to simply schedule when you want to send this to your subscribers, or you can simply send it right away. So you can simply click on review and then simply click on publish now, and basically that's it. Now of course you're gonna need to have some subscribers first. So if you go here to audience and then go to subscribers, you can simply either import your subscribers, or you can simply create your website here, website builder, and then you can simply create a template, a landing page, and then you can simply publish it, and then you can simply share it with your subscribers, and then they can subscribe to your newsletter, and then you can simply send them emails. So basically that's all you have to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.